Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. As you can see, we got the hardtop on. It looks really good, actually. We decided not to use the straps, so we're going to put some bolts in here. We made our own brackets. We're in the process of making our own brackets. We still got to paint them and everything, but kind of see how we're going here. This is what it looks like inside with a hardtop. Oh, the latches work perfect up here, so that went really well. So all in all, looking pretty good. Tomorrow, the glass guy will be here at some point to install the 3 windows in the back, so that's huge. Yeah, so it's been a day of just troubleshooting wiring, guys. I unplugged everything under the dash and completely went wire by wire and redid it. I blew a bunch of fuses over the past 3 days, and at some point I believe I blew the headlight dimmer switch. So I got a new one ordered at O'Reilly's. It'll be here at 1 o'clock tomorrow, and we're going to try to put that in because every other wire on here is exactly the way this schematic says to have it. So we are dead nuts this. So that's what we're waiting for. As of right now, I have a couple weird things, but I managed to figure out what most of my problems were. So I have headlights, I have taillights, which is great. I have turn signals when the headlights are off. When the headlights are on, I have that one. It's kind of weird. So I'm still tracing some things out. But I don't have brake lights yet. I just haven't hooked it up. I've been trying to just deal with everything else. All of a sudden, I don't have wipers. Hopefully I didn't screw that up. Radio still works, thank God. I do have lights on the speedometer now, which is great. Some of them. But I can't honestly tell you if the bulbs in there are good for all of it. So, you know, there's that. But working hard. This has been a beatdown doing this the last 2 months trying to get it to this show, but we're almost there. I'm tired. Ron's beat, you know, everybody's exhausted, but we're getting there. I did manage to get the wheel spacers painted. They're just sitting on there, just trying to make room. We had another terrible thunderstorm today, which is great. Everything got drenched and we had to run back in the house, but shut the door. There's our front bumper. Long way to go. We're 4 days to Louisville. We still got to weld those on and weld up a bunch of holes, and we realized that it's for some reason doesn't line up very well. It's too tight here, so right here, so we're extending it out a little bit right here on the ends to make up that difference, and not a lot but a little bit. So there's that. Hoping tomorrow, once the glass gets put in and everything, to get the mirrors off of the Chrysler and get them on the car. And I would love, and I'll probably do this here in a minute, I'll probably throw the wheels on and with the spacers and see how that looks, see how my steering looks with that. and then from there I can, as long as I'm not rubbing, I can go ahead and tighten down my steering arms and look at putting a gas tank in this monster and maybe taking it for a ride. I have enough electrical stuff. I think the car could make it pretty much as it is. I could throw it together pretty quick, the dash and stuff, but you know, you want it to be as right as possible, you know, and that's what I'm working towards. So bear with us, we're trying. Not being a Volkswagen guy and building a Volkswagen like this with no parts and having to figure it all out, and it's been a challenge, but we're getting through it. So anyway, guys, that's where we're at. All of this is right. The only thing I got to do now, I think, is swap out that dimmer, and I should be in business on most of it. I want to see what starts working and what doesn't. Then I'm going to start putting the dash back together. Put the back seat in it, hook up the battery, and start getting ready for a first ride. So that's where we're at. Big Ron called it a day. He's out there watching the opening ceremonies of the Olympics in Paris, my favorite city in the world. So I watched a little bit of it. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it a night, and we'll be back out here tomorrow, and we'll keep going and see where we get. We're not gonna quit. We're not gonna stop until there's just no time left. And if it's not ready by then it's not ready. But we're gonna do our best. So hopefully the next couple days we'll have some driving footage for you, and some things actually working, and so on and so forth. So looking forward to it, guys. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this and haven't subscribed yet, please do. We would really appreciate it. It would help us out a lot. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.